Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to post draft video on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. You have to click on the profile. Now you can see the drafts videos. You can select any video which you want to post. Now click on the next icon and select this option, who can see this post. If you want to show this post to your followers, friends, or only you can select that option on your choice. Now click on the post. Your video will be posted in your account. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.